Things I wish I knew before learning programming. The myth, the dream. Before the code, before the errors, before the late nights staring at a blinking cursor, there was a dream. A laptop glowing in the dark, lines of code flowing effortlessly. Money, freedom, respect. The internet promised it all. Learn to code, 6 months, high-paying job, work from anywhere. No one told us what it would really cost. The first line of code. The first line of code feels magical. Print, hello world. The computer listens, it obeys, and for a moment, you feel powerful. You think, if it's this easy, I'll master this in no time. That confidence won't last. Reality hits. The wall. Then it happens. Errors. Errors you don't understand. Errors that don't explain themselves. Errors that mock you. You copy code. It doesn't work. You follow tutorials. It still doesn't work. You Google. You copy again. Now, nothing works. First hard truth. Here's the first thing I wish I knew. Programming is not about typing code. It's about thinking clearly. Beginners think, I need to memorize syntax. Professionals think, I need to understand the problem. The language is just a tool. The learning lie. Tutorials won't save you. Tutorials feel productive. You watch, you nod, you code along, but then you close the video and freeze. Because watching is not learning. Programming is learned by breaking things, fixing things, and breaking them again. The copy-paste trap. Copying code gives fast dopamine. Understanding code gives slow confidence. Most beginners chase speed. Experts chase depth. I wish I knew earlier that slow progress compounds faster than rushed learning. What programming really is. Programming is problem solving. Programming is not writing code. Programming is breaking problems into pieces, making assumptions explicit, thinking in edge cases, communicating with machines precisely. Code is just how we speak that thinking out loud. Real-world case, an ATM machine. Take an ATM. You don't just withdraw money. You validate the card, authenticate the PIN, check balance, reserve funds, dispense cash, log the transaction. Programming is designing invisible systems people trust. The emotional cost. Imposter syndrome. At some point, you'll feel stupid. You'll think, everyone else gets this. I'm not smart enough. I started too late. Here's the truth. Every good programmer once felt exactly the same way. Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from surviving confusion. Failure is the curriculum. Nobody teaches you debugging, but debugging teaches you everything. Every error message is a lesson. Every crash is feedback. Every bug is a conversation. The computer is brutally honest. It never lies. Career reality. Languages don't matter at first. I wish I knew this earlier. Your first language doesn't define your career. JavaScript, Python, Java, Go. They come and go. What stays? Problem solving, system thinking, communication, learning speed. Programming is a team sport. Real software is built by teams. You'll read other people's code more than you write your own. You'll explain ideas. You'll negotiate trade-offs. Soft skills aren't optional. They are force multipliers. The wisdom. What I truly wish I knew. I wish I knew that confusion is normal. Progress is invisible. Mastery is boring but powerful. Consistency beats talent. Curiosity beats intelligence. Programming doesn't reward brilliance. It rewards persistence. The invitation. If you're struggling right now, you're not behind. You're not broken. You're becoming. Every great programmer you admire once stared at a screen and felt exactly like you do now. And they kept going. If this story resonated with you, share your journey in the comments.